Now, a couple of things before we finish here on Microsoft Word 2013. A couple of things under the Review tab. Let's assume that at this point that we are moving towards the end of our research or our report that we are preparing here in Microsoft Word, and now we find a way we need to check the spelling, and to do so, additional selection, probably insert some comments and things of that nature. We need to first go under the Review tab. All right, it's the Review tab. Go under the Review tab, and then when we click on Review tab, and then we click on that Spelling and Grammar. Can you see your Spelling and Grammar? We click on Spelling and Grammar. So as we go to Spelling and Grammar, then we go through the whole document and check the grammar and make appropriate corrections. All right, make appropriate corrections, and we're done. So once we are done with the spelling and grammar, then we can also use what we call the research options. Can you see the research option? Research option is pretty good that you can select a word. All right, let's go somewhere on our document. You can select a word like this. When you select a word like this, you can also right click on that word. All right, when you right click on that word, you can come in here and look for, or you can find the synonyms. You can either choose synonyms for that word. So you basically, when you choose synonym, you can see basically you're finding out other appropriate word instead of asking someone next to you what's another word for this. All right. The next thing is that you can look up the word by clicking on the research tab here. All right, you click on the research tab here. You can look up a word here, and here you can also click on Taurus. When you click on the Taurus, and that will give us the meaning of the specific words that we are looking up to. All right. So other tools that you can use are inserting comments. Can you see inserting comments? And then you can click on it and add to quick access toolbar. Can you see we have added it to the quick access toolbar? If you are using this quite often, then it's always accessible from the quick access toolbar here. And under insert comments, just pick whatever it is you want to insert your comment. For example, let's say I want to insert my comment here. So you click on it, insert comment, and then you start typing your comment. Can you see that? Can you see? So it can also go around your document if you want to go around your document. So that's how to insert comments. And also we have what we call tracking changes. I don't know if you've heard of that in Microsoft Word. Tracking changes is another interesting features in Microsoft Word. And can you see this is the icon for tracking changes? Right? And for these we actually have another section of tutorial video here, so we can go over it over that at some point. All right. Another feature here is to compare two documents. All right, is to compare two documents. Can you see the icon? All right, this is the icon. To compare two documents and find what the differences are, and then even combine them. So basically, that's another useful features that you can check out and investigate at some point in your document. Now, under the view tab, all right, you see under the view tab, this is basically for full screen reading. All right, full screen reading. This is full screen reading. You know, so if I click on full screen reading here, can you see it's loading? Can you see that? So clicking on full screen reading, that's much easier this way for proofreading and that type of stuff. So once you are in full screen reading here, for you have a bunch of options at the top here. Can you see those options? Can you see them? Then different we also have different zooming capabilities at the bottom here. There are the navigations. All right, so you can see some of them here. Can you see them? Can you see them? All right.